And just to reiterate that last point, that he is working with, um, in the 21st century, we have the benefit of DNA research, of molecular biology, of the human genome, right? Which not only confirms all the stuff that he's talking about, but also um, gives you a far more powerful way of looking at these things. Darwin didn't have that, so he really had to operate with, in a lot more of a limited way. So chapter 2, we're not reading Variation Under Nature. You're welcome to read it if you want. Good chapter, but the text is just a little long for us to read everything. Struggle for Existence, key chapter, okay. So struggle for existence is a metaphorical phrase. It's a conceptual metaphor that he uses, right, in order to explain his idea, right. So natural selection is the basic idea, right, or is the where he's going for. Struggle existence is sort of the precondition. And so this whole chapter is really a study sort of in metaphorical expression. So you really see Darwin sort of struggle with, like, how do I get across this idea of, of evolution and of change, right? How do I get people to see it in the way that it has to be seen? And so, he starts banding about all these different sort of metaphorical expressions, right, in order to get that across. So here in this chapter, you want to look at, like, how he, why he is using metaphorical expressions. Is this good science? Does this help his argument or not? And what metaphors, you know, or is he using? Okay, to make this argument. And so the question of is basically, are the metaphors that he's using, struggle for existence, are they too martial, aggressive? Are they giving people sort of the wrong idea of what he means by, his ideas? Same thing with natural selection. Natural selection, the word natural and then specifically selection, seems to imply some idea of intent, right? So evolution and natural selection is random. It's unconscious, right? There is a design to it, but it's randomly unconscious, right? So how is he helping himself with his argument or not? Okay, so this is a power-packed chapter, has a lot to it, a lot to read, good stuff to go here.